The T929 ATAK II heavyweight assault helicopter, developed by Tusas, is getting ready to activate its rotors for the first time. The contract for the heavyweight attack helicopter, which will be developed with the experience gained from the T929 ATAK attack helicopter and tactical reconnaissance helicopter, was signed between the Presidency of Defense Industries and Thai on the 22nd of February 2019. In a statement made by Temel Kotil, hopefully by 2022, our Herjet will open its wings for flight and ground trials will end, our 11-ton ATAK II will start rotating its rotors in the same way, and our national fighter aircraft will start the engine like a lion's roar. The T929 ATAK II heavyweight assault helicopter will use the maximum domestic subsystem with the Gokbi T625 utility helicopter, another product of Thai. The T929 ATAK II will be powered by an engine manufactured by the Ukrainian motor Sich company. Under the agreement signed between Thai and Motor Sich, 14 engines will be supplied for the heavyweight attack helicopters, which will be flown in 2023. While it is planned to deliver a total of 14 engines by 2025, the first deliveries of the engines that will be on the heavyweight attack helicopters are planned to be conducted in September 2022, as many as 2 pieces. The T929 ATAK II will start operating its rotors for ground testing from the second half of this year.